Looks like we can officially call Mother Monster a believer. Lady Gaga knows a thing or two about staying true to herself while persevering through the craziness that is Hollywood. And at the 2015 Met Gala, Gaga decided to impart some of her wisdom on Justin Bieber. The two actually really bonded at the event. Justin first posted this selfie of the two of them on Insta with the caption, "Me and the Queen." And Mother Monster followed that lead and regrammed the pic with a very touching caption reading, "He has a sweetness to him. He grew up in front of the whole world. I reminded him to not get bothered because at the end of the day, he's the boss and life isn't always roses, lots of thorns." Justin, who is currently on the road to rehabbing his image, he didn't want Gaga's sweet message to go unnoticed and responded graciously on Twitter, tweeting, "Lady Gaga, thank you for the kindness. As nasty and as negative as Hollyweird can be, it's always so refreshing to see two musical powerhouses bonding and really supporting each other. I totally ship it." In case you guys haven't heard, post-Met Gala, Justin Bieber decided to say something very interesting about his ex-girlfriend Selena Gomez, and to get all of those flirty details, you can click in this box right there. But before you go, don't forget to weigh in on what you think of Lady Gaga's love for the Biebs, and what do you think of her advice? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news on your favorite people in Hollywood. Until next time, I'm Erin Robinson. Peace. Not everybody loves Justin Bieber, and in that box on the left, we have a roundup of all the celebs who have dissed the Biebs. And for a little refresher on all the ladies Justin has dated throughout the years, we've got that in the video box on the right.